Hi there, Basil is gardener's dream and it comes in many varieties, and the one I have here is Ocimum sanctum. I have grown this from seeds. Considering its medical properties, it is very easy plant to grow. If we do not prune the plant will go taller from one stem and it goes leggy and weak. So pruning is the technique for a bushier plant. My plant has grown bushy, but it has taken seeds. If we leave the seeds on the plant without removing them, the plant takes a lot of energy and it puts all the energy in the seeds and it needs more nutrients. If we provide those nutrients to the plant will eventually die. So the best thing to do is, whenever we see the flower is forming, before it gets into the seed stage, we need to pinch them off. But here it has grown to seed stage, so I'm doing heavy pruning today. And also, when the seeds fall on the ground, it takes new shoots and we don't want these things as well. That's why we need to remove the spent flowers. I'm doing heavy pruning to encourage new leaves and new branches. So let's get started. Now I have totally pruned this plant. I know it's a little bit pinching to trim the plant, but this is for the plant's growth. This is my third time I'm doing this one, and now within a couple of weeks it will start to be more healthier and bushy because the energy is spent to the new leaves, new shoots, and the leaves that are already there. So that's done. And for the people who are in winter zones, they can collect these seeds, the dried seeds, and then they can sow them in the beginning of the spring. Then you will have new tulsi plant and you can enjoy it all around the year. But usually what I do is, whenever I prune, just in case, I just save these seeds in a Ziploc bag like this, and I store them safely. So if I want to grow new plants from the seeds, then I can do so. Now after this, because this is in the shock now, I have pruned everything, so we need to give the plant a little bit of Epsom salt. Epsom salt is basically magnesium sulfate that helps the herb to produce lush leaves, lush and green leaves, and it looks like white granuled crystals. Like this. And I add this to half a gallon of water. You can sprinkle the Epsom salt directly on the soil, but diluting this gives even spray to the plant and the leaves, so it's all with magnesium sulfate. So let's give the plant. That's about pruning the plant, heavy pruning, and I'll see you in my next video on how to grow tulsi plant from seeds and the care I take for the tulsi plant. Thank you for watching.